Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make cupcakes. And for that we'll need dry ingredients, wet ingredients, and decorations. Let's begin now. Let's start with the dry ingredients first. What's this?
Banana.
Banana. The other dry ingredients are a half cup of almond flour, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, a pinch of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. What are the wet ingredients?
Fry.
No, that's butter.
Butter.
What's this?
Egg.
And what's this?
Red.
Vanilla extract.
Yes.
And these are some sliced almonds for decoration.
Oh my god.
Now mix all the ingredients together except the almonds, and then your cake batter is ready. Now it's time for the decorations. Now the cupcakes are ready. Is it yummy?
Yes.